You have two assignments this week. Write an annotated bibliography that includes 5 to 7 sources, and write a thesis statement. A bibliography is a list of sources, books, journals, websites, periodicals, etc., when it's used for researching a topic. You'll find all of these sources on the Sierra College Library page. Because you're using MLA format, it is called a works cited page. The bibliography includes the bibliographic information, the author, title, publisher. You'll get more information in the video on writing an annotated bibliography. The annotation is a summary and/or evaluation. Therefore, an annotated bibliography includes summary and/or evaluation of each of the sources. Depending on your project or the assignment, your annotations may do one or more of the following. Summarize. Some annotations merely summarize the source. What are the main arguments? What is the point of this book or article? What topics are covered? If someone asks you what this article or book is about, what would you say? The length of your annotations will determine how detailed your summary is. For more help, see my PowerPoint and handout on paraphrasing sources. Assess. After summarizing a source, it may be helpful to evaluate it. Is it a useful source? How does it compare with other sources in your bibliography? Is the information reliable? Is this source biased or objective? What is the goal of this source? Reflect. Once you've summarized and assessed the source, you need to ask how it fits into your research. Was this source helpful to you? How does it help you shape your argument? How can you use this source in your research project? Has it changed how you think about your topic? Your annotated bibliography may include some of these, all of these, or even others. To learn about your topic, write an annotated bibliography. Writing an annotated bibliography is excellent preparation for the research project. Just collecting sources for a bibliography is useful, but when you have to write annotations for each source, you're forced to read each source more carefully. You begin to read more critically instead of just collecting information. At the professional level, annotated bibliographies allow you to see what has been done in the literature and where your own research or scholarship can fit in. To help you formulate a thesis, every good research paper is an argument. The purpose of research is to state and support a thesis. So a very important part of research is developing a thesis that is debatable, interesting, and current. Writing an annotated bibliography can help you gain a good perspective on what is being said about your topic. By reading and responding to a variety of sources on a topic, you'll start to see what the issues are, what people are arguing about, and you'll then be able to develop your own point of view. To help other researchers, extensive scholarly annotated bibliographies are sometimes published. They provide a comprehensive overview of everything important that has been and is being said about that topic. You may not ever get your annotated bibliography published, but as a researcher, you might want to look for one that has been published about your topic. The format is MLA format. The bibliographic information includes the title, the author, the publisher, and the date. The annotations for each source are written in paragraph form. The lengths of the annotations can vary significantly from a couple of sentences to a couple of pages. The length will depend on the purpose. If you just want to write summaries of your sources, the annotations may not be very long. However, if you're writing an extensive analysis of each source, you'll need more space. You can focus your annotations for your own needs. A few sentences of general summary followed by several sentences on how you can fit the work into your larger paper can serve you well when you go to draft your first draft.